Welcome to Home of Math. Today we will simplify two exponential expression which is very important for SAT, IGCSE and 9 and 10. Let's start. Our first question, we have to prove that left hand side a to the power p plus q divide a to the power 2r times a to the power q plus r divide a to the power 2p times a to the power p plus r divide a to the power 2q will be 1. So initially we have to know some law of indices, like we know once base are same, like here a to the power m and a to the power n, where base are same, that time in division the power will be subtracted. So here power is m and n, so it will become base are similar and power will be m minus n. Similar in here a to the power p plus q and here is minus 2q, right? Because here two power, one is p plus q, another one is 2r, but base are same, therefore power will be subtracted. Similar here is a to the power q plus r minus 2p times a to the power a to the power p plus r minus 2q. Another law, which is once base are same, a to the power m times a to the power n, here base are same, in this case in product power will be added, so a to the power m plus n. So similar here is a and power p plus q minus 2r plus q plus r minus 2p plus p plus r minus 2q. So now we have to find out this expression where is similarity, like p and here is p, it will become 2p and here is minus 2p, so we can write minus 2p. Again here is plus q, it will be plus 2q and here is minus 2q, so minus, here is 2q and minus 2q. Again this is minus 2r and here is plus r and plus r, it will be plus 2r. So 2p minus 2p out, 2q minus 2q out, minus 2r plus 2r out. So here is nothing, it means a to the power 0. Once power will be 0 for anything, the result will be 1, which is another indices of law. So look, this is become right hand side. Now again we see the expression where left hand side and right hand side become similar, therefore our answer is right and we prove this one. Proved left hand side equals to right hand side. Okay, so first question answer done. Today we will try to solve another math similar topics. Let's start. Second question, left hand side, here is x to the power a divide x to the power b whole to the power 1 by ab times similar x to the power b divide x to the power c whole to the power 1 by bc times x to the power c divide x to the power a whole to the power 1 by ca. We have to prove this one 1. Now we already know about indices several law. First one, a to the power m divide a to the power n, it means a to the power m minus n, it means base are same, power will be subtracted once we make division. So this one we can write x to the power a minus b, right? A and b, it will become a minus b, and times 1 by AB. Why? Because we also know, suppose x to the power m whole to the power n equals to x to the power mn. It will become multiplication. Similar times here is x to the power b minus c, and here is times 1 by bc, times here is x to the power c minus a, and it will become times 1 by ca. Okay. Now here all base are same, so in product it will become added. So we can write x to the power, look, if anything we can write a times 1 by b, it means a by b. Similar, here is a minus b, divide ab, and base are same, in product we will be add all the power. So plus b minus c divide bc plus c minus a divide ca, right? So x, and this one we can make LCM. So a b c is our LCM. So this one ABC divide AB, it will be C. So C A minus B plus ABC divide BC, it means A. So we can write A B minus C plus ABC divide CA. So it will be B. So B times C minus A, right? Then here is X and here is A B C. Once we multiply, so it will be CA minus BC plus AB minus CA plus BC minus AB, right? Then look, this is plus CA and here is minus CA, this is minus BC and here is plus BC, this is plus AB and here is minus AB. So it will be x to the power 0 divide ABC. We know once we divide any number to 0 or 0 divide anything, it will be 0. So we can write x to the power 0, and obviously it should be 1. So left hand side equals to right hand side become equal. So it's proved. So thank you very much being with me. This video I am trying to simplify two exponential expression which is very important for any kinds of competitive examination, especially IGCSE and SET, and 9 to 10, and not only 9 to 10, standard 7 and 6 also very important for indices. So this video is for freedom for any classes. So please keep practice at home and be careful about once you subtract anything. So no more today. Please subscribe my channel if you think this channel is helping you, and please share with your friends. Thank you.